several inches of snow on the ground. Driving the big truck with the camper and the trailer. And there's a snow plow that just drove by on the other side. And the maps is telling me we got everything slowed down. We're the only people on the road. It's basically 11 or no, it's actually 12 o'clock at midnight. Getting close. And it's pretty crappy conditions for being Arizona in February. Look at the white. Did you see all the white?
Mm-hmm.
Everything's completely white. There's snow on the cactus.
It's kind of funny.
You don't see that every day.